Hello everyone and morning and welcome to William Morrill India to the pre-bell session. So here is the disclaimer from our side. The content in this presentation podcast should not be considered as recommendation to buy or sell security. All information is intended for educational purpose only and no way should be considered investment advice. So then, here are the important news. US market ends lower yesterday after renewed recession fear. US March inflation rate at 0.1% MOM and 5% on YOY basis. Retail inflation falls to 16 November low of 5.66% March on easing price pressure. So TCS quarter four net profit net up by 5% to 11,392 CR meets estimates but revenue disappoints. NTPC to issue unsecured NCDs worth rupees 3,000 CR via private placement on April 17. Adani Electricity to supply mostly green power to Mumbai by 2027. And results today will be Infosys. So US and Asian market. So Nasdaq has closed. US market has ended lower yesterday. So Nasdaq has closed on negative note by 0.85%. Dow was negative by 0.11%. S&P 500 was negative by 0.41%. However, European market has ended on positive note. DAX has closed 0.31%. FTSE FTSE 100 has closed 0.50%. CAC 40 has closed 0.09%. Asian market, Kospi has closed on positive note by 0.23%. Nikkei has closed on positive note by 0.08%. Shanghai Composite was closed on negative note by 0.03%, and Hang Seng has closed on negative note by 0.54%. SGX Nifty indicates positive opening, and it was 17,865. So here are the clues from derivatives data. So Nifty 50 PCR stand at 1.25. Maximum call open interest was seen at 18,000 followed by 17,900, which amounts to 2.65 lakhs followed by 1.83 lakh respectively. Maximum put open interest was seen at 17,700, which amounts to 2.12 lakh followed by 17,600, which amounts to 2.12 lakh or 2.11 lakhs. Bank Nifty PCR standards 1.39. Maximum call open interest was seen at 42,000, which amounts to 1.28 lakhs, followed by 41,500, which amounts to 1.25 lakhs. Maximum put open interest was seen at 41,500, which amounts to 1.47 lakh, followed by 41,000, which amounts to 1.44 lakh. So now we'll move to the chart and we'll see how Nifty 50 might behave. So we have seen that from the past 8 trading sessions, the index has been closing on the positive note, and it has been forming a bullish candlestick formation with higher high and higher low price structures on the daily chart. And the index got support around 16,800 kind of level, and from then the index is actually trying to soar higher. But now the index might face the resistance towards its 100 DMA, or we can say that it might fade some sort of resistance in the range of 17,850 to 17,900 level. On the flip side, it has support around 17,700 to 17,650 from the expiry point of view. So overall, sentiment is positive here. And if that that resistance is surpassed, then index might move towards 18,200, but it will take some time. So now I will be talking about Nifty Bank. So Nifty Bank also it has after hitting the recent low like 38,613, and the index has actually trying to move higher, and it is also kind of facing some sort of resistance near its 100 DMA. So technically it may face some sort of resistance around 41,800, followed by actually, yeah, here. So sustainable, if it is being closed above 41,700 to 41,800, it may lead the index towards 42,500 to 42,700 levels in the coming weeks. On the flip side, if downward sloping breakout level like 41,250 to 41,000 will be the level to watch. And on the expiry point of view, the index might settle in between 41,500 to 41,800 level. So these are the overall opinion from our side. And thank you so much for your patient hearing.